Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be working on the 1972 Ossa Pioneer. We're going to be replacing the inner tube for the front tire and the rear tire, and we're going to be replacing the tires themselves. The old tires have a bit of rot, and so we need to definitely replace the front, and then the rear one is slightly damaged, so it's a good idea just to replace them both. This is the grip pattern that I chose. It's a little bit less knobby than the old tires, and it'll ride a little bit better on the road as well as off-road. So we'll get into it. So the Ossa is kind of interesting how they have this set up. There is a regular bolt on this side, or nut on this side. And then on this side, it's the axle spindles. And they don't have like a nut or anything for you to put a wrench onto. So instead, you have to just try not to bend these too much as you're getting the axle out. Well, that was a pain, but the tire is finally off. Let's look at the damage to the tire. There's a good amount of tire rot there. And a lot of the lugs on the tire are missing. So that tire is definitely toast. That is not good. Wouldn't have held any air there. And then the rim, I just need to probably clean this up. Some degreaser or something. And some soft brushes. But there we go. And the new tire and tube is all ready to go on. Alright, well, that's that then. Bent my tool. So I think I'm gonna have to cut the tire off somehow. Fender. I know that it's not the original Fender that was on the Ossa. I couldn't find an original Fender. I could only find Fender for a Super Pioneer. I could find two of those. There was one that was like $750, and that was like broken in two different places. Part of it was missing, so I'd still have to reform it. And then the other one was like 160 bucks, I think, for a Fender. So I decided I'm not gonna go that route. If I ever happen across an original Ossa Pioneer Fender, maybe I'll use that. But for now, I'm just going to run with a regular Fender from a dirt bike. So I did have to modify it. The holes for mounting are a little bit more closer together on this dirt bike as compared to, I guess, modern dirt bikes. So I had to drill out a couple of holes. I might make these adjustable so that I can either use these two and move it forward more, or these two and move it back more. But either way, it will be limited a little bit. Let's get it mounted, and then we'll do some test drives. Wow. Should be a clutch lever here. Fell off. Looks like it broke right up here. That sucks. Gonna have to go and retrieve that. I was hoping for a good test drive and the clutch lever broke. I do have an extra one, but it's the same kind of lever as the front one, or the clutch. So I may have to order a new set, because if that one broke that easily, this one's probably gonna break just as easily. Anyways, that's gonna be first test drive. Also, in the next episode, there'll probably be some painting, and apparently this doesn't really fit because, just notice this, it burned right there, right on the muffler. So maybe I'll just cut this right there. More problems, yay. But in the next episode, I'll solve all of that stuff. Probably, well, maybe I'll be getting around to painting this in the next episode. But definitely I need to solve that. I need to solve these. And I do have a kill switch coming, so I won't need this anymore. But that'll be in the next episode, and we'll see whether we get around to painting and stuff. Well, that's going to be it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Like the video down below, leave a comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one. It's probably the reason why this broke. It's cheap aluminum.